Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a board cover on Pinterest. The first thing you're going to do is open Pinterest. Once on the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you're going to scroll down and select the board that you would like to make the cover for. So I'll select test. Next, you are going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to select edit board. And in the top left hand corner, you will see a plus below board cover. You are going to tap on the plus. And from here, you can select the picture or the pin that you would like to use as the board cover. Then you can drag it down to crop it. Then tap on done, and from here you're going to tap on done in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.